Welcome. Today we will perform a ritual that will help cleanse us from negative energy, the evil eye, and other harmful influences. For this, we will need a new piece of soap, preferably plain and without any additives. Let's get started. Step 1. Preparing the soap. Take the soap you have chosen and make sure it is clean and intact. This is important for the successful completion of the ritual. If everything is in order, proceed to the next step. Step 2. Incantation. While holding the soap in your hands, recite the incantation 3 times with feeling and belief. Soap of cleansing, foaming soap. Wash away all dirt, all impurities. Every evil eye, every curse. Troublesome hour, and wicked words spoken by wicked people. Cleanse me from all misfortune and hardship. Let all misfortunes, the evil eye, and wicked words be washed away from me. My word is spoken, and the deed is done. So it shall be. Ensure that the words of the incantation are clear and distinct. Your belief in the ritual and its effectiveness plays an important role. Repeat the incantation 3 times, each time strengthening your faith in its power. Step 3. Application of the soap. Now that the soap is enchanted, you can use it to cleanse your body. It is recommended to use it for washing your hands, face, and entire body. Allow the soap to penetrate every cell of your being, freeing you from negative energy and harmonizing yourself. This ritual can be performed at any time and is not dependent on the moon phase. It is effective under any circumstances and will help you rid yourself of energetic dirt and negativity. Remember that your belief and intention play an important role in the success of this ritual. Trust the process and allow yourself to be cleansed from anything that no longer serves your well-being. Thank you for watching. We wish you harmony, purity, and well-being.